Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo Y22s. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose whatever you wish to in Notifications pop-up, and then select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now, in this window, you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by clicking on OK. From here, you need to make sure that Send is set up at the bottom left corner of your Android, and click on Receive at the bottom of your Vivo. Finally, tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and hit Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and click on Got it. Now on Vivo, scroll down, tap on the best option for your ads and choose Close this window. Finally, pick one of those connection ways. If you wish to scan the QR code, click on this scanning icon on Vivo. Select while using or only this time and point your camera at the code. You can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button instead. Now after a while, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!